Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. Today's guide video is based on how to add text to each clip on TikTok videos. Now I'm sure you must have seen or watched many videos that displays text on each clip, and now you're wondering on how to do it. Now make sure to watch the video till the end, and by the end of the video you will learn how to add text to each clip on TikTok videos. Now first of all, make sure that you have already updated your TikTok application to the latest version, and also make sure that you are well connected with your internet service. Now without any further delay, let us get started. So open the TikTok application. Now on the home page, what you have to do is tap on the post icon or a create icon, which is right in the bottom. So you can even create your own video, or you can even simply upload it from your gallery as well. Now right now, for example, I'm just uploading it from my gallery. So the method is similar whether you upload it or whether you create it on your TikTok application. What you have to do is tap on the next button, which is right on top. Now on the other page, you get to edit, or you get to add some filters, or you get to add some text. Now in order to add text to your clip, what you have to do is just simply tap on the A icon, which is right on top on the right side. Now here, as you can see that as soon as I tap on the A icon, now I get to enter the text. So from here you can enter whatever that comes to your mind, or whatever that you want to share it on the clip. So then enter the text. Now as you're done entering the text, down there you can see different type of fonts. So from here you can select any type of fonts that you like, and here you can see the text has been added. So the next step is just tap on next, which is right in the bottom. Now on the other page, you get to post this particular video. Now down there you can even enter the caption, or you can even mention anybody. The final step is all you have to do is just tap on post, which is right in the bottom, and then the video will be posted. And this is how you can add text to each clip on TikTok application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.